Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Dan Warner, and this is Dan Warner probably about 15 years ago. Today we're going to be talking about headshots and when you should get them, why you should get them, and how important they are. When you should get them. You should get them redone every 6 months because you change every 6 months. I know you think maybe I don't change every 6 months, but you do a little bit. Also, refreshing your headshots every 6 months tells the casting director that you're being proactive with your career. If you have the same headshots over and over, I hear people brag, oh, I haven't had headshots done in 10 years. Well, then you're stupid. Don't get your headshots done every 10 years. You should get them done every 6 months. You change, the photos change, the casting director, if they see the same picture over and over and over again, 6 months, 8 months, a year, they go, oh yeah, that guy, oh yeah, that guy. But if they see a different picture and they go, oh, this is Dan Warner, oh, he got new headshots done. He looks different. Let's call him in. They will call you in if you change your headshots out, and some headshots really work. Maybe your hair's different, maybe it's a different color, maybe it's shorter, maybe it's longer, maybe you've gained some weight, or you've gotten thinner. Change your headshots every 6 months. Make the investment, invest in your career. You're being proactive, you're being responsible, and you're not half-stepping, because this is not a half-stepping type of industry or career that you've chosen to do. So get your headshots done. Get them done by a reputable photographer. Look around, hunt around, do your homework, and please don't pay more than $700 for your headshots. I've talked to people who have paid $800, $900, $1,000 for their headshots. Those photographers should be shot. It's highway robbery, it's extortion. Actors don't have that kind of money. $400 to $600. Don't pay any more than $600 for your headshots. Get them done every 6 months. Change them out. Wear different outfits. Choose your wardrobe. Think about your wardrobe before you choose it. Don't just go, well, this shirt's nice. You're going for something. You're trying to convey something. First of all, your headshots are your calling card. It's the very first thing that casting directors see. It's the first thing if you're looking for an agent. It's the first thing they see. If you send them a headshot that looks like that, and then you show up at the Zoom audition or the audition on tape and you look like this, they're going to scratch a line through your name and not call you ever again. Because why would I call this guy? Why would I call this guy if this guy shows up? How am I supposed to know what you look like? Maybe you'll look different on the day of. So make sure you look like your headshots. Make sure you don't alter them too much. Don't tell the photographer to, pretty them up or to, Photoshop them, airbrush them. None of that nonsense. And guys do this, but girls really do this. And please put your egos aside because narcissism during the headshot session is not your friend. I can understand if you got a giant zit right here, then have it taken out. Fine. But if you've got wrinkles in your forehead, don't have them airbrush the wrinkles out of your forehead, because it turns out you've got wrinkles in your forehead. And maybe, just maybe, they're looking for someone with wrinkles in their forehead, because real people have wrinkles in their forehead. I think you get the picture. Don't make yourself out to be someone you're not. You want to look like your headshots, and then when you show up on set, you want to look like the guy who was at the audition. So if you get an audition and you get a call back and then you book a job, don't cut your hair. Don't do anything different to yourself. You want to look just like the person that they called in, just like the person that they saw on tape, just like the person that was in the Zoom meeting. So just be smart about all of this. If you need a doctor shot, a shirt and tie, it will suffice. You don't need you don't need a lab coat. If you have one, fine, but they get it. If you want to be a lawyer, shirt and tie jacket. Shirt tie jacket is also a great detective, but just make sure the headshots are sort of not moody, but a darker background, darker muted colors, more serious look. We're gonna have another. I'm gonna do another video on headshots alone, where you'll get to see different headshots side by side. Here's a good one, here's not a good one, and here's why. We'll do a comparison. So if you found this information remotely valuable, hit the like button down there. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. I will be doing these videos every single week and bringing you all kinds of fantastic information on acting, on-camera confidence, on-camera mastery, how to do better on your Zoom auditions, how to do better in front of the camera. What else? How to stop saying all the time. Yeah, I'll teach you that too. If I could learn, I'll teach you how to do that. What else? What am I missing? Don't spend too much money. Wardrobe. Look like your picture. I don't know. I think that's it. I don't know.